Alright, so today we are going to take a super budget keyboard, the SM68, that you can find for 30 bucks on Amazon, and we're going to try to upgrade it with the Akko Rosewoods. So these are highly recommended for a thocky feel, and I've already done an unboxing and review of the keyboard, so let's take a look at the switches themselves. Again, links to the switches will be down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And here it is. But they're in this pink colorway, and this is how they sound. Are the Gatron Pro Yellows and the Gatron Browns. This is the stock sound test of the Otemu Reds. I think the Akko Rosewoods really kind of exceeded my expectations. They offer a very cheap and affordable way to upgrade this keyboard, or any budget keyboard for that matter. But some other alternative considerations are the Gateron Pro Yellow or the Akko V3 Cream Yellow Pro. I'll have affiliate links down below if you're interested in purchasing these switches. Hey everybody, so today we're going to take a look at the SM68 or the SAMA68. This is a kind of 65% keyboard with the function rows missing on the top. It's got RGB, supposedly some sound deadening features and Otemu red switches, but this is just in fact not true. I'll show you in a bit. So on the back here, it's telling you that it's upgraded up to 50 million key presses, and all these features here. So we're gonna unbox it and take a look, do a little bit of sound test and do a comparison. Fair warning though, I actually already opened this, so just to see like what it looks like. And you can purchase this for 35 Canadian dollars off of Amazon or Best Buy or Newegg. And so once you open the box, you got a little bit instruction manual. This is a tri-mode keyboard, so that means that it's able to connect 3 ways using Bluetooth, USB, and as well as wired. So it comes in this, and this is the keyboard itself. It comes in a little really nice pastel colorway, and then the rest of the box has your other accessories. You got a USB-C cable, you got a keycap and switch puller, and then you got 2 additional switches. And if you look at these switches here, these are not Otemu Reds. These are actually TNT Pinks, and they're supposed to be pre-loops, but we'll do a little comparison with these switches. But the nice thing about this keyboard is it's actually hot swappable. So on the front here, you got the F function rows missing, and then you got a little volume knob here, and then you got 3 indicators showing you the battery, if it's on wire mode, and C, I believe this is the 3rd mode. And then going on the back here, you got these 2 pegs with 2 different kind of angles. So that's one of the angle, and this is the second angle. This is nice to see because usually this is not something you can see on budget keyboards. Of course, the USB-C dongle I actually took out earlier to connect this keyboard. So basically, it stays in like that. And it's actually held in together by magnets, which is really nice. Yep, so that takes out. There's a on and off switch. So we're just gonna put the pegs up, power this on. And you can see this is the RGB during the daylight, which is very, very weak. So we can show you what it looks like afterwards. So right now it's in the wired configuration. I'm just going to plug this wired. So that wireless dongle is in. And we'll do a little sound test here. And to get into the wireless USB-C, 2.4 gigahertz, you need to be pressing EN plus Q. I think this is a typo here. It's probably FN. Well, the quality control on this is terrible because everything else is a function. So function plus R goes to Bluetooth 2, function plus T goes to Bluetooth 3, and then this one is saying EN plus Q. So I'm assuming it's EN FN plus Q. So we'll try FN plus Q. Yeah. In fact, you know it's FN plus Q because it's written here on the side. So 2.4 gigahertz. And then you got BT1, BT2, and then the wired is here. So let's just see if this connected. Yep, so I'm getting a signal here. And I'm just going to move the microphone a little bit closer so you can hear the sound test.
Finally, I just wanted to add about the RGB. You can actually control the side RGB brightness with this volume knob. And the way you can get it into the kind of light switch configuration mode is you gotta press and hold the volume knob. And then if you want to go back to the kind of volume function, you again press and hold until the C and W blinks. And then now you're back and you're able to control your computer's volume with the volume knob. Anyways, that's about it for the SM68. If you're interested in purchasing, I'll put links down below, and make sure to subscribe and like.